When compared to the 20th century, artificial intelligence has altered the way the transportation industry operates today. Even though most people do not see artificial intelligence in action, individuals and businesses are constantly surrounded. Artificial intelligence is slowly but steadily taking over the world, enabling a more comfortable way of life one person at a time, day by day. Would you like to be kept up to date on the latest AI developments? You've arrived at the correct location. Welcome to AI Tech Vision, a YouTube channel where we discuss everything related to artificial intelligence. Subscribe to stay up to date with the technological revolution. AI in transportation is the ideal solution for many problems and has evolved into one of the most valuable tools for avoiding traffic and human error through automation. Simultaneously, AI in transportation can improve passenger safety while lowering carbon emissions. It is critical to implement this advanced technology to keep up with the latest logistics trends, such as introducing self-driving vehicles, implementing sophisticated traffic management, and providing accurate delivery predictions. The impact of AI on the transportation industry and its various applications and benefits will be examined. What is the purpose of artificial intelligence in the transportation industry? After a series of breakthroughs, humanity finally had a vehicle that ran on 4 wheels and was powered by fuel. Cars, on the other hand, are now driving themselves while their owners sleep inside. Artificial intelligence and transportation have both had a significant impact on future technologies. Various opportunities for work automation have emerged as a result of the advancement of artificial intelligence in transportation. In the following video, we will discuss the breakthroughs and benefits of artificial intelligence for transportation development. We will talk about self-driving cars, traffic management, drone control, and self-driving trucks. In addition, the article will concentrate on AI in public transportation, shipping, aviation, and other aspects of the transportation industry. Self-driving vehicles. To drive the car without the driver's assistance, AI transportation employs a complex combination of sensors, cameras, and radar. Various companies, including BMW, Audi, and Tesla, have developed and tested such automation. This high level of AI in the transportation market of its size is difficult to achieve and highly complex. According to the Google test, several self-driving cars have traveled over 140,000 miles. Complex neural networks have been developed to identify similar patterns to the human brain, which multitasks while driving. Traffic lights, people, curbs, trees, street lights, traffic jams, and everything else on the road are all part of the data in neural networks. The system will become more intelligent as it navigates more. Furthermore, using self-driving vehicles is critical for lowering logistics costs. Autonomous taxis are already being tested in Tokyo, and industry forecasts indicate that this technology will help increase public transportation in remote areas. The Tokyo experiment could be an excellent example of how AI is already being used in vehicles. Furthermore, autonomous tracks have the potential to cut transportation costs by up to 45%. Traffic control. Living and working in a large city and attempting to get to work or school on time is a tiresome problem that many people face daily. AI-powered traffic management is a step that can help to reduce daily traffic congestion and driver fatigue. To name a few, AI focuses on automated traffic signals, high-resolution cameras, real-time processing, and automated plate recognition systems. Recently, India's capital decided to implement such intelligent traffic management. There will be approximately 7,500 infrared sensor cameras and 1,000 LED boards installed. AI technology will aid in reducing traffic congestion on the road by diverting traffic during peak hours via live feeds, sensors, and Google Maps. This can reduce manual interference to a bare minimum and provides a brighter and more efficient mode of transportation. Artificial intelligence in transportation can also be used to cut down on traffic congestion. AI technology collects real-time route information, sends it to the cloud, and analyzes it for traffic predictions in the transportation industry. The system will notify users of the most direct route to their destination. In this case, the use of AI in transportation will improve route safety and reduce waiting time. Control of drones. Beautiful aerial views are now possible thanks to drone technology. However, when combined with AI, drones can provide more information. AI drones, for example, can be used to scan construction sites, which would take more than a week if done manually. There are also plans to use drones to manage and monitor traffic because they can provide a much broader view of the entire area. In Rwanda, the search for blood banks has been reduced to 15 minutes thanks to drones. Drones with artificial intelligence can be used to avoid road accidents or to provide emergency assistance. When combined with AI, this small toy-like apparatus proves to be extra special. To this day, AI is at the heart of many new services and assists in advancing a wide range of technologies and fields. Transportation is one of these industries. When artificial intelligence is used in vehicles, it can become faster, more efficient, reliable, and safer. It enables drivers and engineers to operate tasks and aid in decision-making at all levels. Next on our list is life-saving cars. AI has not only aided in automation, but has also been shown to be life-saving. Artificial intelligence can detect patterns of severe pain and other emergencies. This enables them to notify local hospitals for an ambulance or a car to be dispatched. According to a BBC News report, a patient suffered a pulmonary embolism and was driven to a hospital in autopilot mode by his Tesla Model X AI car. Tesla's use of artificial intelligence has altered driving, but it can also save lives. The patient survived thanks to the quick decision made by the car's AI system, which got the individual to hospital just in time. This is the way AI can be used for transportation in the future. It can be used to alert local ambulances rather than manually calling them, improving the service provided for emergencies. We've made it halfway on our list. Are you enjoying this video? Please hit that like button and share this video with your friends. Back on our list, autonomous trucks. Recently, self-driving trucks have emerged as pioneering projects for AI firms. Cross-country trips are usually exhausting and tedious, but they are more predictable. This is an ideal situation for AI to be used to drive these trucks. Because they are long, straight roads, the drivers tend to fall asleep and crash, which AI can avoid. A California startup created an AI-powered freight truck that traveled for 41 hours to deliver butter across the country. This was the world's first cross-country trip by a commercial freight truck. The use of AI can save money that would otherwise be spent on truck drivers and their needs. Artificial intelligence in aviation. Artificial intelligence in the transportation industry is not new, but implementing this technology for traffic operations in aviation could be a game changer. It opens up new possibilities for aircraft design and air traffic management systems. Many research projects in the aircraft industry employ AI to improve traffic predictability at various stages of flight. The Big Data for ATM project, for example, analyzes data on passenger behavior to improve future airport traffic. AI transportation can also be used to ensure a high level of air-grounded integration, which will allow pilots to focus on critical functions during flight. Air taxi. It is much easier to switch an airplane or helicopter to autopilot mode. Recently, there has been a lot of research into autopilot helicopters that can act as taxis. It will not only help alleviate traffic congestion, but it will also reduce carbon emissions. Drone taxis will also reduce the need for expensive city infrastructure. It became the most efficient decision for urban development. The future of artificial intelligence in transportation will have an impact on the city building industry as well. They can travel long distances in less time. AI-powered helicopters will be completely automated, passengers will board and travel to their destination stress-free. AI is currently being developed for use in both commercial and private transportation markets. Although incorporating AI is expensive, as integrations and applications improve, the cost of inclusion is bound to fall. Soon, artificial intelligence may be a standard part of daily commutes, deliveries, and transportation infrastructure. Last but not least on our list is cargo ships with no crew. There are nearly 17,000 cargo ships that transport goods around the world. These ships represent a massive industry worth hundreds of billions of dollars. It should come as no surprise then that some industry innovators are looking for ways to improve their efficiency and lower their costs through AI. Rolls-Royce is one such example. The vehicle manufacturer collaborated with Google to develop self-driving ships, which were released this year. These ships use artificial intelligence for navigation, engine performance monitoring, and loading and unloading. People's perceptions of automobiles have shifted as a result of artificial intelligence. Early predictions predicted flying cars, but automated vehicles already exist. In an emergency, they can even transport passengers safely. Automation is the more traveled path because it introduces intelligent systems that are free from human flaws into the transportation field. AI and transportation are an excellent combination of future life enhancements. Artificial intelligence is ushering in the automation phase with self-driving cars, trucks, and traffic management systems. Commuters and traffic cops can use AI to save time, stress, and respiratory disorders caused by inhaling polluted air throughout the day. The advantages of AI in transportation are numerous, and they will grow and improve as it is used more widely and efficiently. Due to recent accidents, the limited use of AI in transportation will diminish as progress continues. As a result, AI requires constant attention and upgrading. That's all there is to it for today. Like this video and share your thoughts in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one, we promise.